Love is in the air, and what could be a better gift than baking for your better half? In today's video, we'll be making a decadent choco lava cake that is cakey from the outside with gooey chocolatey center. Whenever we make a lava cake, it is just baked until the edges are firm, meanwhile the center of the cake still remains gooey, resulting into a burst of melted chocolate center that oozes out when you cut into it. And to make it more tempting, we'll simply top it with vanilla ice cream, some strawberries, and lastly a gentle sprinkle of powdered sugar. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed and have clicked the bell icon to stay updated with our recipes. And don't forget to hit the like button. So what are we waiting for? Let's make our choco lava cake. First, we'll chop some dark couverture chocolate and melt it with butter. Here, we are making a super chocolatey batter which has a very less amount of flour but a high amount of sugar, fat and chocolate. And due to this ratio, we get that perfect lava cake. Now, in a small bowl, we'll sieve all-purpose flour and natural cocoa powder. Now, in a different bowl, we'll whisk egg and sugar together. In this, we'll add the sifted all-purpose flour and natural cocoa powder, then give it a mix. Next, we'll add the melted butter and chocolate mixture and mix until we get a smooth batter. As you can see, our batter is ready. We'll now prepare our molds. We'll prepare these round molds with cling wraps. I am using round rings here as I am aiming to demold the cake for plating purpose. But if you guys do not have this, you can simply use ramekin molds or aluminum cups. Now we'll grease the rings with butter and transfer our batter into these rings. Now we'll keep this batter in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight before baking. For video purpose, I have already prepared this before. Now we'll bake this at 190 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Our choco lava cake is out of the oven. We'll now demold it very gently and garnish it. For garnishing, we'll add vanilla ice cream and strawberry at the top. We'll finish it by dusting some powdered sugar. Here you go. Our decadent choco lava cake is ready to serve. I hope you guys like this recipe and try it out at home. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.